When we're in Greece, I love going to different restaurants and trying different dishes that they have on their menu. And today, we're gonna make this crazy twist that I've never heard before. It's peanut butter tzatziki. So we went to a restaurant the other day in Chios, in the castle, and they made this peanut butter tzatziki. So I've never made it before. I really have no idea what the ingredients would be. My husband and I tried it many times. When we were tasting it, we were trying to see what was in the recipe. So we're gonna make it today by what we think. So we're gonna see how it turns out. We're gonna do a small cucumber. When we tasted this dish, the cucumber, you could definitely taste the cucumber in it, but it was really, it was almost like a puree. So I'm gonna try to do that today. So you don't want the water in the cucumber, you know, when we make tzatziki, we always cut out the seeds and we're gonna squeeze out the water. So we've finally chopped our cucumber and I'm gonna squeeze out the water. If you had a cheesecloth, that would be good. Don't have one now. And we're gonna get the garlic. We're gonna do 2 cloves of garlic. Just gonna add the garlic to the cucumber. Now we're gonna get our yogurt and our peanut butter ready. So I have 1 cup of Greek yogurt. And then this is all natural peanut butter. So I think that this would be the best to use for this recipe. So I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. We're gonna mix this up. It smells good. Now we're gonna add our cucumber and our garlic. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of olive oil and lemon. We're gonna do about 1 tablespoon of that, lemon juice, and then salt and pepper for taste. So 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of pepper. Mix this up. The anticipation, is this good? Before I plate it, it's time to taste it first. I would never mix these ingredients, but oh my God, it's really good. It's actually delicious. Peanut butter and cucumber actually taste really well together and the yogurt balances it out. Oh my God, this is amazing. I can't wait for you guys to try this. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this peanut butter tzatziki. For the full recipe, visit nikkiklekis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.